Hmm.
Panda, say I love you. Oh, kitty, I love you so much. Beautiful cat, you're so perfect. How to get your fat cat to exercise. Want a treat?
My cat's fat. He's cute. Spider cat. Spider cats. There's that part there. Spider.
He's very loving.
Spider cat's here. Watch. That's not spider cat. That's scared cat. Spider cat.
Does whatever a spider cat does. Can he fly? No, he can't. That's because he's just a cat.
Did you just touch me? You're so very sorry. Don't ever touch me.
Cute doggy. Cute kitty. Aww. Like the kitty scared the doggy.
No, get this cat out of here. No. I need to get some food and get the cat out of here.
Everybody was told. Come on.
Cute. You like this one? No?
Come on.
Sam didn't like it. You do, kitty. And like and subscribe as always. Bye.